welcome back to Sachi Studio. I'm so happy you're here today. If you love spaces that feel soft, romantic, and filled with timeless charm, you are going to adore what we're exploring together. Today's inspiration is a French romantic tea room, a space designed to feel like an elegant escape for quiet afternoons and thoughtful moments. So, make yourself comfortable, pour yourself a cup of tea, and join me on this gentle journey. Together, let's step inside and discover the beauty of French Provincial style, where every detail tells a story of romance, grace, and comfort. As you enter the tea room, the very first impression is its color palette. A soft wash of pastel pink that wraps the walls in warmth, balanced by creamy whites and delicate floral accents. The effect is airy and feminine, like stepping into a painting where elegance feels effortless. Just beside you are the white rattan chairs, each softened with floral cushions in romantic patterns. They invite you to sit, to linger, to enjoy a slow afternoon surrounded by beauty. The natural texture of rattan grounds the room, while the florals bring it to life with charm and personality. Above, a small crystal chandelier hangs like a jewel, its sparkle casting gentle reflections across the room. The chandelier doesn't overwhelm. Instead, it whispers elegance, creating a glow that feels both intimate and refined, perfect for moments of calm conversation or quiet solitude. At the heart of it all sits a round tea table, delicate yet welcoming. On it rests a floral porcelain set, with cups and saucers trimmed in gold and decorated with blossoms. Fresh flowers in a petite vase add a touch of poetry, as if the room itself is blooming. Every detail, from the lace runner to the gentle gleam of porcelain, feels carefully chosen to celebrate grace and beauty. The atmosphere is serene, almost dreamlike. Here the pace slows. You can imagine lingering over tea with a dear friend, or simply taking a quiet moment to yourself. This French romantic tea room isn't just a space. It's an experience, a sanctuary of softness, and a reminder that elegance can be lived in the everyday. so much for joining me today at Sachi Studio. I hope this little journey into French romantic charm has left you feeling inspired to bring more elegance, softness, and beauty into your own home. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and leave me a comment about your favorite detail. And of course, be sure to subscribe so you never miss another moment of inspiration here at Sachi Studio. Until next time, remember, your home, your story, beautifully told.